What's good? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am blonde and her name is Marilyn. So if you guys want to see how I got this lace front, keep watching. So obviously, as you guys can see, I am not the one installing this wig. It is my friend from high school. Her name's Nia. She just recently started making lace front wigs, and I saw her on Instagram and I was like, bro, like, what the heck is up? Like, we gotta do a video together. So here we are, bringing you guys this blonde realness. And just in case you guys aren't catching any of the products that she's using in this video, I will make sure to go ahead and list them down below in my bio, just for any of you that are interested in any of the products or think I could improve anything. You know, let me know, keep me posted as usual. Alright, now that all that wig cap fun is over, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it just to make sure it is fully secured on my head and that it doesn't fall off or something crazy. And we are back. As you can see, she's gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation and also my powder foundation to just make sure that the wig cap matches as close to my skin as possible. And now that the wig is kind of fitted onto my head, she's going to go ahead and part out sections where my ear is and just cut around my ears so that I kind of have an ear space. Alright, now that the wig is fully installed, it is time to start styling. We ended up deciding to go with the side part instead of a middle part just because we thought it'd look better. And as you guys can see, she's going ahead and start making these baby hairs because it just ain't right if it don't have baby hairs. So here we are. to go ahead and start curling so I can really come through as Miss Marilyn Monroe. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and skip ahead to just about the end of the curling process, just to show you just how good I was looking. Like, can y'all peep this? But where is this lace though? But where is it? Because I can't find it. I don't know if you can, but I sure can't, and it was on my head. You survived. We survived.
We did it. Oh no. Okay, do you want me to clip it? Like, or what? How are you gonna tie it up?
With a scarf?
Yeah, but your curls aren't gonna stay, so let me help you.
I was like, cause if that ain't the way,
wait,
that's all I
got.
got.
Pictures first. Oh, I look crazy. I got hair all over me. I don't know how to start it.
Oh Lord, okay.
Marilyn. The bag looks kind of goofy though, because I think the braid that's right there helpful. That's so funny. Man. I really feel this song at a whole nother level now though.
I know, I'm so nice to people. I always try to stay friends with my exes, and they ain't never want to be friends with me.
Have you ever spoken to Hugh? Like, are y'all cool or what?
He